Alright, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn GCC and G++ compilers. The Ubuntu distribution usually comes with pre-installed C and C++ compilers. However, we can check that actually. So in order to check that, we need to open our terminal window. So Ctrl-Alt+T will open our terminal window. So let's clear that. Okay. So how we are going to check that? Let's just write GCC. This is compiler for C programming language. Okay, let's press enter. As you see that it gives us fatal error, and let's check G++. This is the compiler for C++ programming language. Let's press enter. So the both of them displays some errors. Actually, it just says that you need to provide input C or C++ files for compiling. If your terminal doesn't show this message, then probably the compilers are not pre-installed in your system. So if that's the case, you can easily install them by using these commands. As you see that the first one is sudo apt-get update. So this command will update the list of Ubuntu packages from the repository. And after updating, you need to put this command sudo apt-get install build essential manpages dir. So that's all. All you need to just write these commands. So by using these two commands, you can easily install C and C++ compilers. For now, let's assume that your compilers are already installed in your system, or you yourself installed these compilers. So now we can check which version of the compiler that we are going to use. So in order to do that, let's actually check for the first one. So it is for C programming language, GCC, and we are going to write 2- then version and press enter. So as you see that our compiler is version 9.3.0. So this is for GCC compiler. We can also check what's version for the G++ and 2- then version. Press enter, and it's the same as the first one. It's also version 9.3. Another important thing in programming is debugging. So in Ubuntu Linux, there is a debugger called GDB. It is called GDB because it is GNU debugging. This GDB debugger is one of the popular C and C++ debugger for Linux. Probably it's already installed, and in order to verify that, we can just write GDB and press enter. So as you see that our debugger is already installed, because if it's not installed, it gives you some errors. Let's check the version of our debugger. So but before that, we need to quit this window. So in order to do that, we are just going to write quit and press enter. And now let's check the version. So write GDB 2- and then version. Press enter. So our GDB version is 9.2. So we already verified that our compilers and debugger are installed in our system. And it means that we can just start writing our very first code. Alright, that's all from my side. If you like this video, please click on the subscribe button. Bye, see you in the next video.